Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about different sizes of Chanel Classic Flap bag. I will show to you what can fit in the bag. I'll talk about pros and cons, and I'll show to you the modeling shots of each bag, so please stay tuned. By the way, if you like my content, please consider give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Chanel bags, jewelry, luxury shopping vlogs, Dior, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, style and fashion, and beauty products. I will start with the large classic flap or jumbo, and this one is my first classic flap in my collection, which I absolutely love. I bought this one, I believe, back in 2015, and I included dimensions for you so you guys have an idea how large this bag is. I have to say the quality of this flap is incredible. The leather of the classic flaps is a lot thicker and sturdier, and even though I used this bag quite a lot, it still looks pretty good. I remember I used to use this bag for 2 years every single day. I took it to work with me and I put so many items in there. I even used to carry my gym outfit inside. I really like this bag. There are so many ways of how you can carry this bag, which I will show to you soon as well. I will also show you how many items can this bag fit in. It's quite big. Alright, let's see how many of these items can fit in. I started with my card holder, and in the past I used to carry a big wallet, but I don't need it anymore. Followed by blusher and eyeshadow, plenty of space, and also my glasses, you can see, and I put my AirPods, 3 lipsticks. Of course, I don't have to carry 3 lipsticks with me, I just want to show you. Hand sanitizer, and there's still plenty of space. I probably could fit in exactly the same amount of items inside. Jumbo can definitely fit in a lot. And moving on to the modeling shots, I actually can carry this bag either in my hands like that or as a clutch. I don't usually carry this bag that way. I prefer to carry it on my shoulders because the bag is quite heavy and it's not as difficult to carry it this way. And you can also carry it like Gabrielle. You can just put each strap on each shoulder and it actually makes the bag a lot lighter. I actually like this look with 2 straps and it's very convenient. Moving on to the medium size, which is my favorite. I mostly have my flaps in this size in my collection. I quite like it a lot and I use this bag for work as well. And when running my errands, when traveling, when going out, it's such a great size. I highly recommend it. I like the fact that this bag is not very heavy, and yet it can fit in all the necessary items that I need to carry with me. By the way guys, if you haven't watched my full Chanel handbag collection videos, I have 2 parts that I posted previously. I will link down these videos in the description box below for you guys. You can see that I have quite a few flaps in the medium size in different colors because I really love this size. It's my absolute favorite. I also like the way this size looks, which I will show to you later. But now I will show you how many items can fit in. I took the same items as previously and I will show you the capacity. Of course, this bag is not going to be as spacious as Jumbo, and by the way, I will show to you both of this side by side in a few minutes. One item that I'm missing in this bag is my cell phone, but I'm filming with my phone, but I can just show you with these items. I can still easily close it. There is still space. If I wanted to stuff my bag, I could, but I don't like doing it. So you can see it closes very easily. And that's how it looks on me. And this is how I carry most of my medium flaps on my shoulder. I like the length of the strap, it's very convenient, and I don't like to make my hands busy. I don't like top handle bags because I usually carry my phone in my hand and I don't want to be carrying something else. And I will also show to you how this bag looks crossbody. I get quite a lot of questions whether it's possible to wear this bag crossbody. Well, I like this length. I don't like when it falls too low. I even shorten the strap on my rectangular mini, which I'll show to you later as well. By the way, you can also carry this bag in your hand if you want. You can just shorten the straps and carry it like that, and I showed it in one of my videos, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys. And of course, I like to wear it on my shoulder too. Here are both of them side by side. You can see that Jumbo is a lot larger, but both sizes are quite good. I like them a lot. I'm still very happy that I purchased my Jumbo. I use it a lot, especially for work, and the medium size is just fantastic. The only thing is Jumbo is a bit too big for weekends unless you need to go somewhere, so I prefer the size medium for that reason. Moving on to the small size, which I like quite a lot. I think I have about 3 bags in this size. It's so cute and it can still fit in quite a lot of items. And of course, it's even lighter than the medium size. So let's see what I can put in. I will start with my card holder as always, followed by my eyeshadow and a blusher. I definitely will not be able to fit in exactly the same amounts of items as I was able to fit in the medium size, unless I want to overstuff and stretch my bag, which I won't do. But let's see. I will put in all the lipsticks next. And let's see if I can put in the hand sanitizer. It's already pretty tight. It would scuff my bag and I wouldn't be able to close it. You can see. No, I can't close it. So I think I have to leave all of these items outside and then I can close the bag and it looks okay. I think the size is not too bad. I like it a lot. I think I would add another flap in this size. And that's how it looks on me. I can carry it in the same way as I carried the medium flap in my hands, like a clutch, or on my shoulder, which I love to wear. But I have to say one thing. The strap of the small flap is a lot shorter than the medium flap. And crossbody, you can see it sits higher, but I like this look quite a lot and I wear it this way very often. It's very convenient too. And of course, I wear double straps on my shoulder too. And here are both of them side by side. You can see that the medium flap is a bit bigger. Both sizes are fantastic. Of course, medium is my choice number 1, but the small size is quite nice too. I like it a lot. And moving on to my latest addition and my absolute favorite bag, rectangular mini, that I use so often. It's literally all over my Instagram. It's in most of my pictures. This particular bag is my most favorite at the moment. I use it all the time, and there is another one that I use quite often. It's my white medium flap. Unfortunately, Chanel has discontinued rectangular mini and actually square mini in caviar leather, which is quite disappointing because I think this size would be perfect for traveling, but because it's made of lambskin, it doesn't make me very comfortable. I don't think I'll be taking it on a plane with me. I would still use my caviar leather bags, but this one is stunning. So let me show you what items can fit in. Again, exactly the same items, and you can see how many can go in and how many I have to leave behind. At the moment, I only have one bag in this size, but I think it's perfect for weekends, and now when we are working from home, it's just my most used bag because I don't really have to carry that many items. It's just so easy to pack this bag. I don't think I can fit in all 3 of these lipsticks, but let's see. Most likely I would have to remove something. No, I can't close the bag. I will just remove one lipstick. Can I close it? No. And I also have to remove hand sanitizer. Only then I was able to close the bag. I will link down the unboxing of this bag in a black color because I was actually comparing it in more detail with the small flap. I will leave it down for you guys in the description box below in case you want to check it out. So let me show you the modeling shots. And this is not the original length of the strap. I shortened it with the ribbon on the inside. I just like this look, and this is the original length. You can see it's so much longer. And I would never carry this bag this way. It just doesn't look right for me. I like to wear rectangular mini crossbody as well. It's so convenient. I wear it this way very often. Moving on to square mini. I like this bag so much, and by the way guys, I have previously uploaded a video where I compared this flap with the previous flap, and I will link it down in the description box for you guys in case you want to have a look. I love both sizes, they are very nice, and I'm so glad that I have both sizes in my collection, but I don't know if I will be adding another bag in the square mini size to my collection. I think one is enough for me, and I will show you guys what can fit in. I will use the same items as before and see what we're gonna leave behind. Again, this bag is a single flap bag, and I will start with my card holder. Just gonna put it in nice, and then I'm gonna put the hand sanitizer. Still quite spacious, and then I'm gonna put in my eyeshadow, and I will put in the blusher next, just side by side. It's a bit harder to get out the things from this bag because you cannot really see them. You have to kind of stack items on top of each other. I feel like it's a bit easier to find all the items inside in the rectangular mini because of the shape. It's quite tight. I feel like I'm stretching my bag, but I was able to close it. Moving on to the modeling shots, I like that the strap is just the right length. It's not too long, and it looks pretty nice crossbody too. I wear this bag quite often as well. I would say that both of them are very cute, but a lot depends on your personal preference. If I only had to choose one, I would go for a rectangular mini, but I'm glad to have both in my collection. This is it guys, thank you so much for watching. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!